Welcome back to my channel, and a little different this time. It's unboxing of Xiaomi Thermometer e-ink. It tells you the temperature and the humidity. I've always been fascinated with the e-ink, so I've just bought this little thermometer. So let's do unboxing. So there's the front, and that should be the e-ink display. So it's very, very readable on all the angles. Better than an LCD screen. On the back. Take the battery out in a second. Little instruction booklet. And it comes with a little stand and some double-sided sticky tape. And I think that, if I'm right, is a magnet. So, if we take the battery cover out, it looks like it's printed on. It's very good quality. So we can put that on its stand. So the actual sensor inside is an industrial grade Swedish, well, a Swiss sensor that can detect humidity and temperature changes. The temperature difference between plus and minus 0.3 degrees Celsius, and with humidity to plus or minus 3%. The battery should last about a year. As I say, there's not going to be any glare if you have it in your bedroom at night, being e-ink. There's zero backlight, but it is so readable. And when you take the back off, you have a battery, a CR2032 3 volt, and you also have a Celsius and Fahrenheit button. So you want to go to Fahrenheit, or you can go back to So how accurate is the Xiaomi e-ink thermostat? Well, I have a couple of other thermostats. I have the Xiaomi Mijia button, and that shows me 22.7 and 44% or 45% humidity. So the e-ink display is 22.5 and the Xiaomi button is 22.7. Now the humidity and they're not, well, they're not quite the same. Also, I have another thermostat that's saying it's 22 degrees. That's 22.5. A thermostat of a humidity of 45. So that 3 thermostats all giving slightly different readings. So unfortunately I don't have a professional thermostat to actually test which one is accurate. But at least the temperatures are 22 point something, so guessing if you only have the e-ink thermostat display, at least that is roughly accurate. And the thermostat and the humidity are close, but it's hard to tell which is real. The problem with the e-ink display is these 5 holes of what detecting what the temperature and humidity are. So if you cover them up, even for a few seconds, they dramatically change. But it'll only take about 5 minutes to come back to a more accurate reading. So that was a quick run through for the Xiaomi e-ink thermostat reader. And they're only around, well, on Amazon they're about £12–13, but you can find them on the internet for around £8–9 delivered straight from China. That was a quick unboxing. Any questions, any comments, just leave them on the down below.